What's up, guys? Made this little hat right here with the coffee. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you grab your coffee because the final flush is here. But guys, we are back with another video, and the question is the final flush here? I got 3 cryptos that I'm feeling very, very good about this cycle, and I want to share those with you guys. I want to give you the reasons why. This might be a longer video, but that's okay. It's Friday. I hope you're having a great day. By the time you see this video, I don't know what the heck is going to be going on with crypto. I'm just going to show you what's happening with what I see right now. Right now, it's 9:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Crypto's crashing like it has been the last 2 weeks. A lot of people are freaking out. This is just what happens. The 3 coins I'm going to talk about is one, Jasmy, as most of you are probably here for. The second coin I'm going to talk about is a coin called Dogecoin. Okay. And the third coin I'm going to talk about is a coin called XRP, which is the only one that's been holding up and hasn't crashed like Jasmy and Dogecoin recently. I mean, XRP's at 48, 49 cents. Now, given XRP has been at 48, 49 cents, 52, 55 cents in a range for freaking 10 years, it seems like. But it's still looking good for this bull run that's about to happen the rest of 2024 because crypto summer is here, guys. This is just something most people are going through right now where they think the world is ending. They think they're deep in the red. They're down 20, 30% because they bought the freaking top and they think it's all over, but it's not over. It's just getting started. You got to relax. You got to take a chill pill. You got to enjoy other things in your life. Stop looking at the screens all day. It's not going to do you any good. There will be more green days. You have to understand this. You have to know this. Of course, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my own opinion. But with all of that, let's get right into it. Let's get into the first coin, our absolute favorite, Jasmy. We were buying this at 0.005, 0.006. If you've been in the Patreon for the last year and a half, you know I have called plenty of runs like Palantir at 7, DraftKings at $16, AMD multiple times, Tesla. I mean, there's a lot of different stocks that we talk about, but I've also been very bullish on Jasmy when it was trading flat in a bear market. And now it ran over 700, 800%. Not bad, right? We also called AOs when it was at 13 cents, ran up over $1. Now it's pulling back. We obviously traded it. We're doing all right here. But for Jasmy, I want to tell you guys, look at where we're holding right now, the 618 level. This is a daily time frame, so this is important, but this doesn't mean that we're going to turn around from here. You got to really base it off the weekly too, but right now we're holding. One thing you all have to be aware of, and we go into detail about everything I'm about to tell you about in the Patreon down below. You can literally join for free, become a free member. I post free stuff every single week. There's over 350 members right now. But this is what you got to look for, this volume right here. Again, daily time frame, guys. 786 level on a fib. Also a ton of volume. I'll tell you guys right now, this thing gets down to 2.2, 2.1. It's time to go in. It's time to go into this crypto because you see all of this consolidation right here. So this is going to be very strong support. If we drop down for whatever reason, and let's just say Bitcoin gets under 60,000 and the thing everyone thinks it's freaking tanking and the world's over, blah, 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 all this stuff. This thing's going to come down to this stack of volume. I do think at this point, it would start to really build some strong support. Now, you don't have to buy it right away. Like this thing drops and you buy right away and it's going to just shoot up. I don't think that's going to happen. I think if this drops, it's going to consolidate around here. You're going to have time to accumulate more coins, right? So on a couple of videos ago, I can't speak, I said these are the buy zones based off fib levels. Right now we're at the 618 level. It could turn around here. I don't know. No one knows, okay? You could use the stochastic for an example that we should have a pop here soon. But you have to be prepared. You have to understand if it doesn't turn around here, well, where's it going next? Well, the next place it's going to go, guys, if it doesn't hold the support, this line that I drew for you right here, the next place it's going to go is the 786 level, which is about 2122. Let's just call it 2 cents. A lot of volume there. This is how crypto and stocks move. They move off volume, blocks of volume. They go up and down very fast. Right now, though, we're just holding. We'll see what happens, okay? Obviously, profit taking is happening for Jasmy. All right, let's go on to Dogecoin. Same setup, guys. Holding support right now. You see these yellow arrows that I drew for you. Dogecoin has obviously been in a downtrend since it ran up to 23 cents. But again, guys, this isn't, I don't know if it's going to turn around here. No one knows. All we can use is support and resistance and understand that The stochastic is at a very low point. So this is a great buying opportunity for Dogecoin. Again, not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy these cryptos. All I'm doing is sharing with you guys facts. What usually happens in this area? We tend to bounce. What's going to happen in the next couple days? Who knows? But you got to decide, well, now that we're holding support, should I buy here? Am I okay holding a bag in case it does go down? My next level for it to go down, if it does break this, would be about 9.5 to 10 cents. This line right here. So understand that. Now let's hear from my favorite crypto, even though there's a lot of hate around it, XRP. Guys, I made this very simple for you. We're holding support. I'll tell you, support right now is at 47 cents, we'll say. I mean, you see a bunch of, I don't know if you can see, but there's a bunch of wicks that obviously went lower. This again is a daily time frame, but you can see this goes all the way back, and I didn't even look way back when, but this goes to August of 2023. So almost a year ago, XRP has held this support, okay? Now, can it break it? Of course it can. Is it going to? I don't know. I don't think it will. I think this is the final flush for a lot of these cryptos, and now is a great buying opportunity to look at the next 6 months. You're probably gonna have some runs in the next month or so, but for long-term holders, I think right now, if you're looking at XRP, I mean, we're hanging at the support. We're at 48 cents. This thing could easily get to $1. Quick double. This thing could easily make new all-time highs. I really believe that. You look at XRP's use case, their tokenomics aren't the best, but they're going through the SEC lawsuit right now. Like, it's just a safe bet in my opinion. So I wanted to share this with you. You guys let me know what you think of this support. Do you think this is a good time to add a little bit of XRP, some Jasmy, some Dogecoin? We talked about all three. Again, I do think this is the final flush, but a lot of this is gonna depend on what happens with Bitcoin. We know XRP, it's kind of in its own world. It kind of runs when it wants to run. It dips when it wants to dip. It doesn't really follow Bitcoin like these other cryptos as much, which I do like because I can move in and out of XRP with other cryptos if they get really, really oversold. And XRP is kind of just sitting where it's been sitting. You can see right here, I can take some XRP, put it into Dogecoin. Then I think Dogecoin might rip higher. This is what I've done with a lot of cryptos like AOS, AGIX. I did this with SHIB as well, called 150% move on SHIB before it happened. So this is what we're doing. This is where we're at. Guys, drop a like, would always appreciate that. I hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy with family, friends, whatever you do. Don't look at the screens all day. That will start to make you go a little crazy. But subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. It's going to be a fun year, and we'll see you on the next one.